Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to show you now how to upload your anchors and URLs to the ALN service control panel so that you can do uploads of whole batches of those combos in a flash. Okay, so first you can still use the manually adding anchors and URLs just as you did before. And works exactly the same as before. Just put in the anchors and then the URL and submit. And as you can see here, now I have one anchor URL combo. So I could delete here. If I want to get rid of that, I can edit it. But let's take a look at this. Clear all anchors URLs. It just asked me to confirm. And that does exactly what it says. It's going to clear out all of the anchors and URLs so that it's now empty. Okay, next what we want to do is we want to upload these anchors and URLs. So click on that button there and you're going to see the instructions here. First we want to create a spreadsheet. So I'm going to use OpenOffice Calc. Yeah, and like it says here, we're going to put each anchor, including the spin tags, in the first column. So that's going to look something like this. Okay, and next we're going to put each URL in the second column. So let's use a URL here. Okay, optional, put the importance for each anchor URL combo in the third column. And this is going to be the importance from 1 to 10. So it has to be one of those numbers. So I'm going to just say I'd like this to be 8. Alright, and let's just go ahead and put in some other anchors and URLs. Let's make this 4. And the last one here. Okay, so now we've got it set up so that this top one is the most important. It's going to get the most links built to it, and then the other 3 are going to get shared among the rest of the posts. Alright, so now we've got, by the way, this importance, if we leave this blank, and I'm going to go ahead and do that, I'm just going to leave this one here blank, the system will automatically turn that into an importance of 5. Alright, so you can leave that blank if you don't care about the importance. Save the file as a CSV comma delimited file. Alright, let's do that. File, save. Alright, let's save it as .csv. There we go. Text CSV. And let's call this sample anchors URLs. Alright, great. Just leave the default options on there. It's telling me it's only going to save the first sheet, which we're on now. Okay. Now let's go back in here and we're going to choose that file. And click upload file. And you can see they all got inserted here. Now, sometimes you'll get an error here, like if there's a problem with a URL or something like that. So I'll show you what that looks like. Nothing to worry about, but just in case you see it, you'll know. Alright, so let's make that, we're going to make that URL, we're going to mess that up and we're going to make that 20 there. Okay, so now if we try and upload that, file one more time. Alright, we're going to get an error here. It tells me row 3 has a bad URL and row 3 has a number that's not between 1 and 10 because it's 20. So now we can just fix this in row 3, save it again, resubmit, and we're done. Alright, thanks.